Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the continuation of playlist data structure. So now one of the most important topic, that is we are going to see infix to postfix conversion. Okay, so for example, if we have a plus b, that is infix operation, so we are going to convert it to ab plus. Okay, so first of all I'll be discussing about the algorithm. Okay, we'll write the algorithm for this and then I'm going to solve the question. Okay, so be tuned with this video. First algorithm, first step is we have to read input one by one and place it in stack. Okay, so how we are going to place it in stack? So let's go to step number 2. If this bracket is encountered, place in stack, we can see. Third number, scan all element of stack from left to right. 4. So let's assume x be the stack, we are assuming this, and y be the output. Okay, so if operand is there, add it to y. Okay, that is the output. If operator is encountered, okay, if operator is encountered, so we have two steps. Okay, so we have two cases we have to follow. Let's see what are the two cases. So 6a, first case is pop out the previous operator if new operator has precedence lower than previous. Okay, and second case is add operator to stack. Okay, so last step I guess it is. So where should I write this? Let me write this here, 7 number. If this parenthesis, that is closing parenthesis, is encountered, if closing parenthesis is encountered, pop all operator. Okay, so this is the algorithm for infix to postfix conversion. Okay, so you can write the algorithm in your own language. After solving the question, you will be able to understand what is this algorithm and you will be able to write algorithm in your own language. Okay, so it's not that you have to write the same steps, you can write in your own languages. Okay, so let's evaluate the question for this. Let us see this. So there is a question. First of all, let me solve a simple question and then we can go for the other questions. So the question is evaluate postfix operation expression, that is the expression is 456 into n plus. Fine. So let us make 3 column, that is 1 for input, 1 for stack and 1 for operation. Okay, so the input is, let's put first input, that is 4 in stack. 4, the input is 4, so it plays 4 in stack and operation is nothing. Next it comes 5, so first of all it is 4, then 5. It is like this. Okay, in stack we are putting it like this, 4 is there, then we are placing 5. Okay, so operation is nothing here. Again 6, so 4, 5, 6, so 6 comes here. Okay, so nothing, operation is nothing. Now it's into. Okay, so we have 4, so we have to do this into operation on 2 elements. Okay, so which 2 elements we are going to perform this multiplication? the upper two elements, okay, because in stack how we pop the elements, like this, okay. So into comes here and it is going to into these two elements, okay. So it is 4 comma 30, because after into the output becomes, it becomes like this, it is 4, okay. So 30, and the operation is 5 into 6, so it becomes 30. Now plus, okay, so we have 30 here, 4 here, so plus comes here. So what is it is going to do, it is used to add the two elements, so it is 34, and the operation is 4 plus 30, which is 34, and the answer is 34. Fine. Now let's solve the question. So the question is infix to postfix expression, that is conversion. The expression is bracket open, this is bracket, a plus again bracket open, b into c minus bracket open, d divide by e, that is your power, okay, f, okay, and then bracket close, into g bracket close, into h bracket close. So this bracket is there, for this bracket is there, and for this bracket is there. Right? So we are going to perform this conversion. So I have made two tables here. So because I know in single table I'll not be complete this. So after completing here I'll jump to this portion. Okay. So these two are same table, only it is in two portions. Okay. So let's start this. So first of all we have this bracket. So we'll place this input here. Okay. So according to the rule, in stack it will be like this only, and postfix there is no an expression. Now a. So a comes here, so a will be there, okay. So in stack big bracket will be there, and the operand will go to the postfix portion. Again plus is there, plus encounters here, so plus will go to this stack. We know parenthesis and plus it goes to stack. So parenthesis plus a is as it is, sorry, a is as it is, yeah, there is no any change. Again another parenthesis, that is this one comes here, so it becomes parenthesis plus parenthesis, again there is no change in postfix. Now b comes here, okay, so we have b here, so parenthesis plus parenthesis, and a and b comes here. Now into comes here, okay, so into parenthesis plus parenthesis into, okay, so no changes because no higher precedence operator has come it. Now c comes here, so c, it is parenthesis plus parenthesis, okay, into, and a b c. Now minus comes here, okay, minus, so parenthesis plus parenthesis, and now minus, what is the precedence of minus? So minus is lower than into in precedence, okay. So according to the algorithm what we discussed, if a lower precedence operator comes here, so we pop out this higher precedence operator, so it comes to a, b, c and into, okay. Again another operator comes, parenthesis comes here, parenthesis, so it is parenthesis plus parenthesis minus parenthesis, and the expression is a, b, c into. Now d comes here, okay, so we have d, so parenthesis plus parenthesis minus parenthesis, a, b, c into d. Now divide comes here, okay, so divide is there, yeah, this plus this minus parenthesis divide, and expression is a, b, c into d. Now e comes here, e, so parenthesis plus parenthesis minus parenthesis divide a, b, c into d, e, okay. So now I'll continue with here, continue from here, okay. Now which expression is there? Power is there, okay. So input is power, so stack is parenthesis plus parenthesis minus parenthesis divide, and power is there, so it is higher precedence, so no popping out of the lower precedence. If lower precedence comes, then we pop out the higher precedence, okay. So it is as it is, a, b, c into d, e. Now next is f, so f comes here, so bracket plus bracket minus bracket divide power, this is power, a, b, c into d, e, f. Next closing bracket comes here, okay. So after closing bracket encounters, what we do, we are going to cancel, okay, we are going to cancel this one, like with closing bracket. So when closing bracket encounters, we are going to pop out this closing bracket. Okay, so we have only this much, we pop out all these. Okay, this cancels this one, but we have to pop out this one. So A, B, C into D, E, F. So first of all it is power and then it is divide. Okay, it is a stack. Okay, so in a stack, how we take out the elements? We take out the elements like this. After that the brackets are cancelled. Now again into is there, so bracket plus bracket minus into, we have A, B, C into D, E, F, power divide. Now we have G is there, so G bracket plus bracket minus into A, B, C into D, E, F, power divide G. Now closing bracket is there. Okay, so closing bracket encounters, what we do, we pop out these two operators and we cancel this with this. Okay, so it is plus. Okay, so I think there is, after G what is there, after G we have this bracket. Okay, so we pop out the two elements, so it is A, B, C into D, E, F, power divide G. First of all it is into and then it is minus. Okay, so I think this bracket is over, so we have into is there, so into, so plus into, because it has higher precedence so it doesn't pop out, so A, B, C into D, E, F, bracket into minus. Now H is there, so H bracket plus into A, B, C into D, E, F, bracket divide G into minus H. It is continuation. Okay, now this bracket encounters, so we have to cancel these two brackets, so this both pop outs. Okay, so it is A, B, C into D, E plus, sorry, F was there, yeah, F, D, E, F, this divide G into minus H and these two operators, so it is into and plus. Fine, so this is my final postfix operation. Fine, so let me write, I hope you have seen this, so let me write this expression for you. So this is my infix operation, A plus B into C minus D divided by E power F into G into H, and for this the postfix operation will be A, B, C into D, E, F, power divided by G into minus H into H, sorry, into plus it is. Okay, so you can see that we have ignored all the brackets here. Yeah, so this is the conversion. So next I'll be covering infix to prefix expression, so stay tuned for this. Thank you.